Troubleshooting a stubborn Windows issue and collected a process monitor trace, the PML log file holds every file system and registry operation that occurred. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to analyze these detailed system monitoring logs. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party PML file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. PML files are log files, generated by Process Monitor from Microsoft Sysinternals. They contain detailed records of real-time file system registry network and process thread activity on Windows systems captured during monitoring sessions for troubleshooting application failures, permission issues, and system performance problems. PML files are log files, generated by Process Monitor from Microsoft Sysinternals. They contain detailed records of real-time file system registry network and process thread activity on Windows systems captured during monitoring sessions for troubleshooting application failures, permission issues, and system performance problems. Optimal handling of the PML format is achieved using Microsoft Process Monitor by Microsoft Corporation. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the PML file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Process Monitor if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. When your PML file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Because your PML file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, open in Process Monitor. Download Process Monitor from Microsoft Sysinternals and launch it. Use File. Then open to load the PML log file. Process Monitor displays all captured events in the main table with columns for time, process name, operation, path, result, and detail. Scroll through events or use the toolbar to navigate. Next, apply filters. Use Process Monitor's powerful filtering system to narrow down the events. Press Ctrl+L to open the filter dialog and add conditions based on process name, path, operation type, or result. Filter for specific error results like access denied or name not found to quickly identify the root cause of application issues. Finally, analyze and export. Use the process tree view under Tools to see the hierarchy of monitored processes. Generate summary reports with tools, then count occurrences or file summary. Export filtered results to CSV using File, then save for analysis in Excel, or share the PML file directly with support engineers for collaborative troubleshooting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.